Hello guys, so today we are going to look at how to install VS Code in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first we have to go Chrome browser and search for VS Code download for Windows 11, and then we can go to this first option. Once you reach this official website, then you can click for the option Windows 10 11, and then it will be start download it. So let's install it. So you have to go the download and VS Code, then open it. Then you can click on the I accept the agreement, and then do next, and you can click here also, and then do next, install. Then it is preparing to install. Then finish. We will look into that later. And then when you will open this, so you can create a new folder also, or open a folder. So let's open a folder. Like we can open a folder. Let's create a folder in desktop. So I will create a new folder here. We will call it coding, and then we can open this folder here. Okay, so yes, you can click here, and then we can create a hello.html file here, and we can add a boilerplate like hello world, and we can add a h1 tag here like hello from Code Luma AI, and then we can also open this on browser or any HTML editor, but then we can look into the extension, and there is a very popular extension here like call it live server. So you can install it so that you can view the HTML preview inside the VS Code only. So when it is installed, open with live server. allow, and you can also type hello from code Luma AI, and then you can, if you will, add some text here. When it is live here, and now we will look into how to interact with AI. We can say hi, and we will do continue with GitHub. So you need to have a GitHub account. Continue, authorize, then you can ask here and this is how it is, how easy it is. Yes, then you can ask keep, and your HTML page is ready basically. Yes, it is an amazing page.